Hi, I'm Derek, and today we'll be discussing how SOLIDWORKS Costing can streamline your quoting process. The time it takes to accurately quote a part can be the determining factor of winning a bid or not at all. With SOLIDWORKS Costing, all of that goes away. Inputting the material cost, initial size, and other variables, the costing add-in calculates the manufacturing cost of components by analyzing the geometry and determining the manufacturing process associated with each facet of the model. The database computes the projected costs for numerous processes, including bends, machining and laser or water jet cuts based on the length of cut. With that being said, there is no need to spend a great deal of time quoting parts when you can have a finished quote ready in minutes. The fully customizable database makes sure that the prices for each feature are accurate with your costs so your quotes can be consistent with what you've done in the past. SOLIDWORKS Costing starts by inputting the material properties and specifics as well as labor rates. From there, it analyzes the geometry to determine what types of manufacturing strategies it will need to use. SOLIDWORKS Costing breaks down the cost of each feature of your part. This means that you can even analyze your own parts to determine what features might be expensive to manufacture. This helps determine features that you might be able to adjust before going back and forth with a manufacturer to find the right iteration that is the most cost-effective. Right on the fly, you can override costs or change the sizing of tools to more accurately quote the specific feature. You can even apply custom operations like painting or anodizing, for example. Within SOLIDWORKS Premium, assembly costing calculates the cost of all manufactured and purchased components within your assembly to give an overall cost estimate. This integration with part costing combines individual part costs as well as providing additional assembly-specific operations. Costing takes a lot of responsibility off the experienced workers and allows your manufacturing estimates to be accurate while maintaining consistency regardless of who is quoting the jobs. Quicker quoting also ensures that your bids will be on time and have a better chance of winning. SOLIDWORKS Costing can be found within the professional and premium versions of SOLIDWORKS. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video, and if you'd like to know more about SOLIDWORKS Costing, please reach out to your local CADimensions sales representative. Have a great day.